TV West eshikiraho ishomerere ryatandikira umwaka gwa 2050 eri ryahamusinge gw'ekanisa kandi n'erya gavumenti biturekaremwa kukora grade yo kubanza kw'abazire n'abashomesa kwekwata bakatandikaho emiringo yo kugarura busyishomero ryabo kandi no munyishengero wakiruhura noho abitahiremo
abana tubabuzire nshasha n'abashomesa icyo stickling ezo tumaxi tuine bitabo icyo stickling tuine bill konka turi kumaraki half mark abana bene aho kushitaba konka tubona hatuko kuzagahita za government aha grant zone namuyitunga icyo mark hatuko gahita za government orebe yo muri kaganda ba muri government tutere umungana Omunyishengero Jovan Serwenduru ashabira abatura bakitantoreje buri omwe kukora umurimo gw'yashabire kandi ngo akoreje na munonga cyahika omubashomesa mugende ko kutujyo mu soko y'isukungere ko kutujungire n'abana bisi tubatungire konka tukora habere Ishomereri omunyishengero akarraganisa amabati bitagaresero musente kandi araganise kwija kwateraho omweji wena orizero mu idara ryo kubanza
abazire mwe tubari involved munongo mu bishomero twabashomesa ntukora na government bikwetagwa nebitereza kugira twabe twetenga ngo ataresti abazire babisizitized by involved in school activities Omugandi Godfrey Kabyango Minisita wa ICT na National Guidance nawe yayihanangiriza abeegi b'ishomero rya Kasese Youth Polytechnic ngo bakozeseje internet ebirije kubahoera mu kushoma kwabo kutari kugikozesa ebintu bitari kubayamba Minisita abigambira bwabire natongoza hechoma ekyo kuhereza abantu internet eyabusha omurwenzore region Echomechi chombecherwa ba National Information Technology Authority.
They should not go into things which are not profitable because we shall be misusing that network. That network is basically for business and improving skills and not for social issues. They are also important, but people are putting a lot of emphasis on using internet to interact socially, and they forget that they can use internet profitably in business, in research.
Dr. Annabel Beraza, or board member w'ekitongole kya National Information Technology Authority, nagira ngo batekwa kurebuka ngo burumurka omwihanga gwafuna internet yabusha.
We would want to assure you that with this extension of the national backbone infrastructure, all the e-government services will be able to reach the root administrative units in driving the parish development model.
I urge everybody, even we officers here, to embrace the use of ICT. Because someone asks you, you send a message that we have a meeting tomorrow. Then again someone says, I have not yet received the official communication. I mean, I've already sent you a message. Whether it's WhatsApp, whether it's SMS, it is official communication. But someone wants a letter signed by chairman board.
Amakrag gasha kwa Richard Nahabwe na Gerbert Muhanguzi.